Hey, so this is going to be about Calvin cycle. This is about how Calvin cycle works. And before actually doing that, I'm going to break this Calvin cycle into three parts. This is what it's all about. Okay, this Calvin cycle has three parts. So there's going to be like the three parts. There'll be three videos. I'm going to be sending three videos to about each part. So that's what it's all about. Okay, before actually doing this Calvin cycle, you have to know some very important structures. So what are they? So the first structure is called ribulose. So what's ribulose? Well, ribulose is a monosaccharide. You know what monosaccharide is? Monosaccharide it's a constituent of a carbohydrate. Monosaccharide is a sugar, and it's a ketose. And more specifically, this is ketopentose. So ketopentose, so this ribulose is an enzyme. It's not an enzyme, it's basically a monosaccharide. It's a ketopentose. And what do you mean by that? I mean that it has a ketone functional group. It has a ketone group plus it has 5 carbon atoms. That's what I mean by pentose. So this is a pentose sugar. It's a ketose. It's not saccharides are two types. It's aldose and ketose. Like glucose is an aldose. If you actually write the structure of glucose, which is something like this. If I write the structure of glucose, this is the structure of glucose. So this is a variety of glucose called D-glucose. This is the structure of D-glucose. And as you see here, this group is an aldehyde group. You understand that? That's very easier to understand because CH4 is an aldehyde group. So this is called aldose. And more specifically, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is called aldohexose. So glucose is an example of aldohexose. In the same way, this ribulose is an example of ketopentose. So let me write a ketose sugar that you know. So a common ketose sugar that you know is fructose. So what's the structure of fructose? Very similar to glucose, but it's not an aldose. It's a ketose. So let me write down the structure of fructose. CH2OH, double bond O, C connected to OH, H, C, H, OH, C, H, OH, and finally CH2OH. So this is the structure of fructose. This is a ketose sugar. Okay,